Okay, so I just got my DJI Mobile 3. I'm gonna go to the park with my friend Wendy, and we are going to test it out. I'm gonna try to do some cinematic stuff, see how cool I can be. Just testing it out now. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's got like this tracking thing here. So no matter where I take it, it wants me to be in the spot I told it. Hey, that's so cool. Now I'm trying the selfie mode just without the active track, so it's on me to make sure that I'm in the middle of the camera. Actually, I prefer this control that I get to pick it, because with the active track thing, the gimbal moves while I'm trying to move the camera, the gimbal is tracking me. So here I can just be like, oh, and then I'm back. Oh no, I think I like that better. So I'm out here trying to make these shots. This is hard. Man, filmmakers, like cinematographers, directors, these guys know what they're doing, so hats off to them, because I'm struggling to use this thing. Okay, so we're gonna do a microphone test. So let's test it. This is without the mic. And this is with the microphone. And ooh, so the gimbal is off balance. The mic is too heavy. Let me reset this. Hold on.
$7,483 people come into the park, and 4,561 come out, and still about 3,000 inside.